for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, thanks a lot everyone for joining every week. Tool Review. This is a freaking awesome new product. I'm not sure if it's actually hit market yet. I know it's close. I think it's probably going to be released in the next couple months or like weeks or whenever. It's really close, but it's the first ever mini DeWalt bandsaw that can cut 3-inch. I like the design of it. I've been following this for a minute. I'm not sure exactly. It could be out now because sometimes I see like these new products and they're like coming soon, but it's already out. I don't know if it's already out or not, but it takes the regular DeWalt battery. It takes a regular 20 amp or a 20 volt. Just takes a regular 20 volt. It's not the flex volt. So it has plenty of power. I really like the design, what they did with the little catch thing underneath. I really like that. It's a really cool design. They did it with their mini. There's actually a mini that we did a review on. I really like a lot of the stuff about it. And I can't even think of a downside of this. I really want to look at what blade it takes, because if it takes the 32 and 7/8, the same as the other mini, the same one I have the other mini that doesn't have, like my mini can cut up to 2-inch. This one I guess can cut up to 3-inch. I'm thinking maybe even 3.5. It says the opening right there is like 3 and 7/8 or 3 and 5/8 or something like that. So I'm not sure, but it's the first DeWalt mini deep cut bandsaw. So I think that's gonna be a good one. And no, Daniel, it is actually 20 volt. So it's a 20 volt. It's a 20 volt DeWalt. So